Today, I'm going to walk you through setting up a seamless integration between GitHub and Jira, so your team can automatically link Jira issues in GitHub. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to connect these platforms in a way that gives everyone, from project managers to developers, a clear view of development progress without any manual copy-pasting or status updates falling through the cracks. Let's dive straight in. First up, we need to set up the official integration in Jira itself. Head over to the Apps section in your Jira project, then click on Explore More Apps. In the search bar, type in GitHub for Atlassian. You should see the app pop up right away. Go ahead and select Get App. Take your time on this step. Installing the right app is crucial, since there are several plugins out there and this one is officially supported by Atlassian, which means your integration will stay up to date and secure. Once the app is installed, a Jira admin needs to actually connect your GitHub organization to Jira. This part might require a bit of teamwork, especially if you're not the GitHub organization owner. Sometimes you'll need to request approval from the owner or another admin. So if you hit a permissions wall, don't worry. Just reach out to whoever manages your GitHub org for a quick thumbs up. Basically, you're authorizing Jira to securely access your GitHub data, but only the parts you choose. Speaking of choosing, the next step is configuring which repositories Jira can access. Here, you'll make an important decision. Do you want Jira to link up to every repo in your GitHub organization, or just specific ones? If your company works on lots of different projects, you might prefer to pick and choose only the relevant repositories so you aren't overwhelmed with unnecessary data. On the other hand, if your team collaborates across multiple repos, selecting all repositories can keep things simpler in the long run. Take a moment to consider what fits your workflow best. You can always change this setting later if your needs evolve. Now, with the integration in place, let's talk about how actual development work gets connected. This part is super cool because it doesn't require developers to learn any complicated new commands or tools. When you're working on a Jira ticket, say PROJ123, just make sure to include that issue key in your Git workflow. For example, if you're creating a new branch based on that ticket, you'd name it something like PROJ123 feature branch. It's the same idea for your commit messages. Prefix them with the Jira issue key like git commit m PROJ123 added new feature. And don't forget pull request titles. Using PROJ123 implement the new feature ensures Jira picks up the connection. Basically, embedding that issue key creates an instant handshake between your code and your project management. Once everything's linked, your coding activity, commits, branches, pull requests, even builds and deployments will start showing up automatically in Jira, right inside the development panel for that issue. It's like giving Jira X-ray vision into your GitHub history. You can open a Jira ticket and see all related dev activity at a glance, which is a huge time saver for everyone. One more bonus tip. Look into Jira Smart Commits. With these, you can actually trigger Jira actions, like transitioning an issue to in progress or logging time worked, just by adding special syntax to your commit messages. It's a power user feature that can really speed up your workflow, especially when you want to mark tasks as done without ever leaving your coding environment. And there you have it, a fully automated two-way sync between GitHub and Jira that makes tracking development work effortless and transparent. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or something didn't quite work as expected, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials like this. See you in the next video.